Hello, hi, welcome viewers. Excel Daily Dose Advanced Functions Day 16 Network Days dot International INTL and myself Dayanand with your Learn and Earn YouTube channel. Right, let's begin with the content Network Days INTL. Well, in the previous video, the day's 15th video, we have learned what is how to calculate net working days, the number of working days between two dates and having Saturday and Sunday as the fixed week offs or non-working days. And also we provided the list of holidays as well. But what if you're in some other region where you will be working on especially the customer care region, they work on 24/7. So now their week offs may not be set as Sunday, Saturday. Right? Some of the companies work 6 days a week, but most of the companies do work only 5 days a week. Right? So we need to look at all these factors and have a right formula in place. So this formula, network days dot international formula, can actually help you in solving these problems. Okay, let's use this same as our network day. Just pick up the second one, network days dot international, and start date. Yes, the same. Syntax goes really smooth and same. And but the third argument where we say the weekend. Let me drag it towards left. Yeah, it says weekend. Here you have an option to choose the one from the list. You can choose Saturday, Sunday, Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday. Likewise, if you would like to give only one day as week off, you can choose these numbers. Just put the number which is shown right in front of this value. Now I would like to choose Sunday and Monday as the week offs. So I'll quickly choose 2 on it. Okay. And then give the list of holidays are declared for that region. Okay. So here is the list of holidays. Okay. There we go. That's it. That shows 260 days still, but let me quickly change this to only for the month of January. There are 22 working days in January. And let me call it as of today, the 13th. There were 9 working days in this month. Up to the 13th. Now I need to show it to you with the help of calendar because we need to know whether it is right or not. 9 days. Now first is a holiday because I have given in the list of holidays. So let's not count it. Go down counting from second. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. Saturday is counted because it is a working day. 4. Sunday, Monday not counted. Week offs. Then continue counting. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 12th is also counted because it was Saturday. 9. Which means today is 13th. 13th is a holiday because it is Sunday, a week off. So will not be counted. So there are totally 9 working days are there with this format having what? Change in the weekend. If I was to change only, if I was to keep, okay, say Sunday as only the week off. See the difference. Sunday as only the week off. Got it? That's it for today. Now you just play around. Oh no, it's all about practicing. When it comes to Excel, especially, it's about practicing. So don't spend too much of time daily. Don't learn all the formulas in one day. Just only learn one formula in a day. So that's why I name it as daily dose. So it's just one day, one formula. Okay, so go by that. And this is all for today. Network Days International. Happy learning. And yes, if you like the content, please do subscribe to learn more like this. Yes, please come back and watch the channels. Would you like to learn anything on VBA, Excel VBA? I have a playlist for beginners, Excel VBA 2016, a beginners to advanced edition, where I teach only macros, programs, and user forms. All right. There are videos on Access database and Excel. A lot of programming stuff I'll teach you. Just quickly go to my playlist and watch the videos there. All right. That's it for today's video. Happy learning. All is well. Thank you for watching.